Overhead. Yeah, that better. Yeah, man. Just left him right there. Left him right there. Find a little place, catch a rod. Alright, let me show it. So when you catch a rod, kind of catchy, so that if something takey, you draw them. So when you throw him out, you want to loosen the drag. Loosen it to where you can pull it out with your hand like that. And when a fish dip on here and start run, you tighten up the drag a little bit. I'll show you how to do that. What's going on, guys? Dre again with Hartman Adventures. Out here this evening for another fishing adventure. It's a little bit late in our afternoon now, but we still come out here and we are trying to see what we can get. I'm in a new spot today and I'm fishing with somebody new today as well. You guys haven't seen him on the channel before, but I'm actually fishing with one of my subscribers right back there. That's Alex. He's one of my subscribers and he asked me if he could come fishing with us because he's never really done fishing yet and it's new to him. So he said, yeah, we're going to link up, and he's out here with us today. So pick up yourself, Alex. Alright, so we just come out here, just get some lines set up. It's just a little bit windy, so hopefully you guys can hear me. I did not bring my other microphone today to try and cut down the wind, so hopefully you guys can hear me. But guys, we just come out here and we just get some lines in our water, so let's see if we're going to get anything today. So remember to like, comment, subscribe and share the videos, guys. Remember the goal for this month is to get to 500 subscribers. 500 subscribers, guys. So remember to share the videos, invite your friends to come and share the videos as well. So until we get a hookup, guys, Hartman Adventures out here again. Hartman Adventures at them, man. What's going on again, guys? We kind of had to move location today, so because this is Alex's first time out, it's a little bit tricky for him to do fishing where we were fishing today, so kind of bring him to a location that is a lot more calm and he has a lot more possibility of catching a fish today. So you guys just stay tuned, and once we get a hookup, we tune in back with you again. Take pull him in, man. Snapper, boss, catch your first fish. Pull him up. Alright, guys, so
yeah,
first fish ever.
First fish ever.
Alright, guys, so I'm gonna bring out a subscriber. What you mean? Where's about Hartman Adventures?
Hartman Adventures, hey. Yeah, I expert, you see me? Expert. Teach me everything.
Yes, man.
Look on the result.
Look like cute.
So I'm chew up the fish, sir.
Yes, man, that's your first ever fish, my boy.
Slippery. You can hold?
Yeah, man, hold him, man.
How it feel, Alex?
Feel awesome.
You say you feel awesome.
Yeah.
Brand new rod, brand new hook, first ever fish.
First ever fish.
First ever. Ellie, back up, please. Alright, let's hold him. Hold him, man, hold him. Take your time. Take your time. Take your time. Take your time. Oh, squid. Want a squid jig, you see, man, because I know it's pass on squid day night time. You know, say it up on them take blue crab though. Yeah, man, they take blue crab though, man.
Love them, drop them.
Yeah, man.
Yeah. Guys.
Guys, we're back again. So, look who we have in the background. Let's see how much I really watch fishing videos today.
Yeah,
Who is this guy? Who is this guy?
BigWalBear, gone fishing with BigWalBear.
BigWalBear.
Yeah, man.
Me see how much I did know that. If I did know this brother, yeah, leave it in the comments. Just put it in the comments. I knew him. Cause this virgin is one of the biggest fishermen right now in a Bay. And if you have not followed his channel, make sure you go over to his channel, Fishing with BigWalBear, and subscribe to his channel. Let him know that Hartman Adventures sent you over to his channel. Guys, give him a support, cause it's one fishing community and all of we have to support each other.
Yeah,
So
man.
go over to him channel and give him some strength. You get
Yeah,
me?
man, that's gone fishing with BigWalBear.
I'll leave the link to his channel down in the description as well, so you can check down there and go ahead and give him a subscribe.
Yeah, you might see me comment more, Hartman comment more while, under the comments more while. Yeah, man.
Yeah, man, him always in my comment section, guys. Most of my videos, just check the comment section, you'll see where he's commenting on my videos. So he's a regular on my channel. Trust me, guys, he does some awesome fishing videos just the same. So go over there and support him, give him some strength, and make him know say Hartman Adventures send you over there.
Man, respect, bless up.
That's something I have in their hand.
Peace.
I near it. I'm a current feel up here. My brother.
Yeah.
Yeah. That's everyone that look like me.
Alright, so this virgin right here, so guys,
Yes.
that's Lance.
Yes.
Big up yourself, Lance. You always see Lance on BigWalBear channel as well.
And Terran, yes.
And Terran, big up yourself, Terran, cause Lance tell me say you have to heal me up, so big up yourself as well.
Outside.
This virgin, BigWalBear subscriber, out here on the adventure today again as well. Another virgin from BigWalBear, just the same.
Yeah, man, follow chosen family. Alright?
Chosen family. Hey, people, them find your virgin.
No way.
No way. You know, this virgin have no presence, so guess what? You can't find him nowhere at all. So we're out here, guys. All the way there here. We're on a little jetty thing. So hopefully we can get some action this evening, as you can see. This virgin here, my subscriber, Alex, just get him first fish a while ago. So let's see who else is gonna hook up this evening. Today a tutorial class, you know, guys. BigWalBear showing subscribers how to do a cast. First time them are really do fishing, so I'm teaching subscribers. This morning I teach Alex how to do a cast, how to tie the knots, how to put on a hook and everything. So BigWalBear do the same thing right now for his subscribers. So a tutorial day today.
Yep.
Yo, me find the title for my video already. Today a tutorial day. New subscriber tutorial day.
Start slow, just carry over, just start slow. And release it a little bit. Start slow.
So just release the line when it's about almost 90 degree, 85 or 80 degree there, so.
Carry.
No man, you release the line too quick, man. You release the line too quick. Almost, you really basically you gotta release it in front of you. Guess what I trick you now? You see what you try to do? You try to put power behind it.
Yes.
And I power go get you out there, a technique.
And the rod itself, I'll cast it. Flexible.
Alright, look. See what you try to use? You try to use your shoulder. Now use your shoulder.
Strength I use, yeah.
Use your rod.
I'm telling you now, just
So it's like a whip.
one butt, you know, or something.
Yeah. You try to use your shoulder. Nobody use your shoulder.
Watch me. You don't watch it. Just watch it. Watch it. All you have to do.
Exactly. So I rather do casting in and I really you.
Go far, man. I'm doing it.
Yeah. Hold that one here, yeah. Take that one here. Try that one here. Probably chewy rod flimsy. Cause she's a light action rod that. Try this. It's a heavy action rod. Medium heavy action rod this. Yeah man, open the bail to your right. Yeah. Alright. Alright, you see that one there now? Just not bother chewing a lancet. Yeah man, just take your time. Don't worry about if you put no weight behind it. You just want to get the line out in front of you. So just chew it soft. Chew it soft. No making you whip it. Chew it soft. Alright, let me show you a thing. Let me show you a thing. You open the bail, but you use your shoulder. Alright, look how you go though. Look. Don't carry your rod from all the way behind you. Carry it from right here, so you see me? That's all you need to do. You get me? Don't carry from all the way behind you. Because I power where you put behind you, and that'll beat you. So don't carry your rod from all the way that far. Alright, go on again. Alright, carry around the bail. Alright, carry around the pot to the top. Put your finger right there. So. Use your other hand and open the bail. Yeah. Alright. No. Here what you do. Put your hand right there. So. No, hold the rod, man. Hold the rod. No worry about the line. Hold the rod. Hold the rod, man. Don't worry about the line. Alright, that's all you need to do. Don't hold it too tight, you know. Don't hold the line itself too tight. So you will free up the finger and just kind of curve it. See? Alright, open the bail. Open the bail now. Always make sure the bail open to your right. You see me? So if you don't see it open to your right, carry around, open the bail to your right. Alright, carry up a little bit over your head, not from behind you. Oh, put it up over your head. Yeah. And just bail it through it. You release the line too quick. Alright, look which part I go release the line. Look where me I go release the line. Look. I release the line when it's the right or so. You see me? Right there, so I go release the line. Watch my hand, watch the finger. You see that? Yeah. That's all me I do. Tutorial day today, guys. Tutorial day today. We have news. We have subscribers fish learning the trade. So we are going to teach them. So you just carry around back this. Hold the line with one finger. Open the bail. Alright, just take your time. Don't whip it. Just take your time and chew it. Take your time. Yeah, whip it same way, man. Yeah, whip it same way. Look. What you do is you try to do a BigWalBear.
Oh, yeah, yes.
No, you're not try to get distance, you know.
And carry you. Yeah.
Exactly. So this is how you need to do. Just this. You get me? You notice? You notice what I do? I carry down the rod, come all the way down here. So I just carry it, come and stop right there. So you make your rod do the casting and not your shoulder. They say what's make it corner and say yeah, we're good. We're good, man. Yeah man, I'm good. Alright, take your time now. Hold your rod first. Remember for hold your rod first. Yeah, man. Hold the line now. No. Hold the rod itself. Good. Hold the line now. Yeah. Open the bail. Alright, carry your rod not from behind you, just over your head. And don't whip it all the way down. Ah. Better cast. Better cast. Alright, really in it. And give him again.
Sometimes I really feel them and think you do a hard job.
Alright, go on again. Should I give you one lure when I know hook pan is still in, but I know none way all of them have on hook right now. Now none way hook them no the pan. Alright, just take your time. Hold the rod first. Hold the rod first. Your bail still closed. Open your bail. Open your bail. Open it. Yeah, open it to the right. Open it to the right. Nah, man. You turn the bail, man. All you do is spin this. Remember, so when you open it, open your bail to your right. Ellie, come. Hold on. Yeah. Open the bail. Yeah, man. Alright. So don't worry about the distance. The distance I got eventually come. Close your bail and reel in it. We're losing daylight now. So I'm going to just wrap up the video. We're not going to leave right now still, but I'm going to wrap up the video before we're really out of light. So gonna get some thoughts from my subscriber Alex. Hear what he thought of today's action. Come Ellie. Really mean look a bit more.
Guys.
Alright. So we'll hear from Alex
Guys.
what he thought about today's action. Alex, what have you say about today?
Alright, you see today now, at first it did look gloomy. I don't know say fisherman thing and waiting thing, but you see for me as a newcomer, I never really like that day. You see, after I catch my first fish,
Ellie, be careful.
it changed me. It does change me. It does have to wait feed. As me hear something or see something goes up on the line, it just want if you come in. So but anyways, go up on an adventure today, said we with Mr. Hartman. Go look for go find bait. I first me I do that there. Go look all different places, man, and we all say alright. Make sure you watch in video them too, because I learn a couple things too. Mr. Hartman show me how to string up. He just show me one whole part things. That does everything does run good, isn't it? So
Alright.
Mr. Hartman I expert.
Let's say good adventure day today, eh?
Yes man.
Yes man, and guess who we woke up in? Another expert that do some tutoring today
Yeah, man.
with film subscribers. Guys, remember to check the description and subscribe to his channel.
Yeah, each one teach one.
Yeah. So one of them subscribers here, he might learn to do the trade. And remember say Lance the right, so just the same.
Respect, take care.
Out there.
Yes.
And then another subscriber of BigWalBear. I learn to do the trade just the same. So we are going to tune out a video today before light gone. So guys, continue to support Hartman Adventures. It was a fun day today, guys, trust me. I didn't get any hookup today, but I thoroughly enjoyed myself. I really enjoyed seeing when Alex caught his first fish. The excitement, guys, trust me. When we were fishing at the other location today, him line get a bite, and trust me, you would, if I had the camera rolling at that time, you would have seen the excitement on Alex. Trust me, I would really wish that I had the camera rolling at the time, but I wasn't rolling. And I thought today was a really good experience. as Alex said for himself, him learn a few things. So you'll see Alex again on the channel. He messaged me recently and said that he has never done fishing and he would love to learn how to do fishing. So I'm gonna bring him out on a couple more adventures. So you will definitely be seeing Alex some more on the channel. So just stay tuned. Remember to like, comment, share and subscribe, guys. Remember the goal for July is to get to 500 subscribers. Just 500, guys. So hit the like button, hit the share button, invite your friends over to Hartman Adventures, go over to BigWalBear, Fishing with BigWalBear, check out his channel, and until the next adventure, Hartman Adventures out here again. Alright guys, so after all of the tutorial, all of the teacher we teach, Bossy finally catch one.
Yeah, man.
But guess what? It's not even the length of a finger.
Well, good going still. At least I catch something.
You see? The trip not in vain, eh?
You know how to do still. Release. Catch and release.